In this lesson we're going to look at the introduction to trigonometry. Now trigonometry, as it says up here, is a branch of maths that studies triangles and the relationship between the sides and the angles. In this section we're only going to deal with right angle triangles, so in that sense it's quite similar to Pythagoras. However, Pythagoras only works with lengths of sides and it can't calculate angles. That's the important distinction to make between Pythagoras and trigonometry. Now, a wee bit of research and you find out that this man here, Hipparchus, was the founder, if you like, or the first person to ever use trigonometric tables. Really, trigonometry was driven forward with this idea of navigation, though. People wanting to get accurate maps, to navigate the seas and to find out ways to do this and to find distances between places in the sea. Triangles can be created here to work out bearings and distances. If we've got a person standing here, you could measure a distance on the land, and you could also work out angles to different places using this tool here called a sextant. It can calculate angles between two fixed positions. Now, this would allow the person that was trying to calculate distances to use angles and distances on the land to calculate distances possibly out to sea and other places that were hard to measure. Other places that you might find trigonometry, underground systems requiring you to use angles and sides that you can't actually measure. This is where the useful part of trigonometry comes in. To calculate unknown sides in a triangle, you only need one angle on one side, so a really hard to calculate side or measure side could be done with mathematics. Computer graphics also require trigonometry for lots of different things. It's more complicated trigonometry than we're doing at the moment. But as you go further up, you'll see trigonometry appearing again in National 5 and higher, and even into university maths. And this can be used to program the computers to do complex graphics animations. Other places is engineering. My dad was actually an engineer and he used trigonometry quite a lot to design bolts for oil rigs to make the machine move in certain directions. He had to calculate angles and lengths using trigonometry. But also development of large structures like this. These structures here involves triangle calculations, which use trigonometry